Today I'm going to teach you how to issue a refund with WooCommerce. Whether you need to process a return, handle a customer complaint, or fix a payment error, knowing how to manage refunds through WooCommerce will help you maintain smooth transactions and keep your customers satisfied. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open a browser and navigate to WordPress.com. If you haven't already logged into your account, go ahead and do that now. You'll need to enter your credentials to access your WordPress dashboard. This is where all your site management tools live, including your WooCommerce settings and order history. Once you're logged in and on your WordPress dashboard, look to the left navigation menu. You'll see various options listed there. Click on WooCommerce. When you do this, an expanded menu will appear with several choices related to your store's operations. From these expanded options, click on Orders. This section contains all the purchase records and transaction details for your WooCommerce store. Now you'll be presented with a comprehensive list of all the orders that have been processed under your WooCommerce account. This page shows you everything from pending orders to completed transactions. Your job here is to locate the specific completed order you wish to issue a refund for. Scroll through the list and click on the order once you've found it. This will open up the detailed order overview page where you can see all the information related to that particular transaction. From the order overview page, scroll down until you find the items section. This is where you'll see the items purchased, their quantities, and the prices paid. It's essentially a breakdown of everything included in that order. On the left corner of this section, you'll notice a button labeled Refund. Click on it. When you do, a refund field will appear below, giving you the tools you need to process the return. In this refund field, enter the refund amount you wish to issue. This could be the full order total or a partial amount, depending on your situation. You'll also see a field for the reason for the refund. Filling this in is optional, but it can be helpful for your own records or for explaining the situation to the customer. Once you've entered the necessary details, click on Refund with the amount manually. This option allows you to process the refund directly through your payment system. A confirmation prompt will appear on your screen asking you to verify that you want to proceed with the refund. Simply click on OK to finalize the refund process. Once confirmed, the refund will be processed and the customer will receive their money back according to the payment method they originally used. And that's it. You've successfully issued a refund through WooCommerce, ensuring your customer gets their money back and your records stay accurate. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.